What's the meaning of awfulness? Awfulness. Awfulness.
Awfulness. Awfulness. The term awfulness can refer to a state or quality of being extremely unpleasant, disagreeable, or terrible. It is often used to describe a negative experience or situation that causes discomfort, pain, or distress. The feeling of awfulness can be the result of various factors, such as personal or global events, physical or emotional pain, or mental health issues. This state can lead to feelings of hopelessness, despair, or anxiety, and can impact a person's overall well-being and quality of life. Overall, awfulness is a subjective term that describes a negative, burdensome, or distressing experience.